In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install iMyFone VoxBox on your Windows PC. If you're looking for an AI voice generator or text-to-speech tool for creating voiceovers, YouTube narration, podcasts, or content creation, VoxBox is one of the popular options available right now. The installation process is pretty straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for iMyFone VoxBox official website. Open the official iMyFone website from the search results. Once the page loads, look for the VoxBox product page. You should see an option to download the software for Windows. Click the download button. The setup file will now begin downloading to your computer. After the download finishes, start the VoxBox installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installation window will now appear. Choose your preferred language if prompted. Then click Install to begin the setup process. The installer will automatically copy the required files onto your computer. This may take a minute depending on your system speed. Once the installation is complete, click Start Now or Finish. VoxBox should now open automatically. When launching the software for the first time, you may be asked to sign in or create an iMyFone account. After logging in, you'll have access to the main dashboard. From here, you can type text into the editor and generate AI voiceovers using different voices and languages. VoxBox also includes features like voice cloning, audio conversion, subtitle tools, and speech generation. You've successfully downloaded and installed iMyFone VoxBox on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.